The DefenderPad Laptop EMF Radiation and Heat Shield is the premier, most effective laptop radiation shield of its kind. Backed by FCC-certified independent lab testing, our DefenderPad uses multiple layers of advanced technology to refract, conduct, and absorb up to virtually 100% of laptop radiation and thermal emissions. All you have to do is place the DefenderPad between your laptop and your body to help protect yourself from a broad spectrum of harmful emissions. Don't worry, your device will continue to receive Wi-Fi because the transmitted signal is not altered or blocked in any way. The DefenderPad shields emissions in the downward direction that would otherwise be touching your body. Its textured grip surface will help keep your device from slipping around. If you want even more comfort, you can attach the DefenderPad Pillow underneath the case to provide cushion between your lap and your DefenderPad. Use your laptop safe and worry-free with our DefenderPad Laptop EMF Radiation and Heat Shield. From Defendershield, your trusted worldwide leader in EMF protection and safety.